Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Glow palette. It's one of their new mini palettes that they brought out for Christmas, if I believe. And I'm just going to see what kind of look I can come up with. I'm pretty sure the formula is perfect, but we're going to try it out and try to do a look. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me go ahead and take my glasses off and put my headband on. And I went ahead and did my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. And I used the Beauty Bay Eye Base in base 2 on to prime my eyes. So we have that done. I'm going to go into this bottom yellow shade and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. And I'm using the ColourPop E23. It's that fluffy flat brush, kind of like the E25. I've been using this so I get closer in the crease. So I just get right there in the crease and not go too high up on my, towards my brow bone. Alright, now I'm taking this kind of brown, orange, yellow. It kind of has like all of it in this color, but I'm going to take this darker yellow shade. I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye. Alright, I think I'm going to take this color, this kind of, it's the middle tone gold, because you got a darker gold here, middle gold here, and then kind of a lighter gold here. So I'm going to take this one up here, and I'm going to put that in the other half of my lid, or on the other half of my lid. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water, I'm going to clean up my edges and any fallout I might have had. I'm going to take the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. And I'm going to dot that on my face. I'm taking the Alma Beauty Say What foundation. And I'm going to dot that on my face. And I'm using my multitasker brush to blend that out. Usually I have to put this on my brush, but for some reason it was thicker today that I could put it on my face. That's weird. Anyways, I'm going to go into the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in L150 Porcelain. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. And I'm blending it out with my concealer brush. As always, I'm going to set that with my number 7 powder in light. This is just the best powder for under eyes. It always looks so beautiful. It doesn't look powdery. It doesn't dry my eyes out, so I really enjoy this powder, as you can tell. I'm taking my mini Hoola Benefit bronzer. And I'm going to use the ColourPop F30. I use the ColourPop F32 if you're interested to do that last little bit, do my powder. But I'm taking the F30 to do my bronzer. Going under my chin and down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette and I'm going to go into Yara, this kind of bronzy tone blush. I'm using the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place. Again, since we're doing a Juvia's Place palette, I thought I'd use my Juvia's Place products. Every time I go a little less and it's still, this is so blinding. I mean, not that I'm complaining, but I like a blinding highlight. It just, I try not to go too ham. I'm going to take the dark orangey browny yellow color and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm going to put on my NYX Epic Wear liner in Orange Zest to see what that looks like in the waterline. And I'm taking the ColourPop E29 with just that little small shader brush. And I'm going to go into the lightest gold in there and use that as my inner corner highlight. See what that looks like. I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrice Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Koala, or Cola, however you say it. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright, and I'm taking the BH Cosmetics So Extra High Shine Plumping Lip Gloss in Brilliance Alivras. It's kind of got a little bit of gold and orange and glittery, so I'm going to try that on top of this lip liner. And that lip gloss was from the Weekend Vibes So Extra Espresso Shot set. I'm going to take the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray and just spray my face real quick. Alright, well this is the final look using the Juvia's Place The Nubian Glow palette. And I think that if you like yellows and golds, you'll love this palette. I think that it's really, really beautiful. I love gold, is just gorgeous to me. I think the look that I came up with is beautiful. But pretty much with it being a monochromatic palette for the most part, you're going to have to like yellows and golds to want this. I think the golds are super, super pretty. I think that they did great on the eyes, especially the one that I used. It's got some glitter in it that's kind of like green and different reflex. That is really gorgeous. I mean, Juvia's Place has really been bringing it with some of these shades that they've been coming out with. They've really, really, really been doing a great job, I think. And just the different special things that they put into their shades. Like I'm telling you, this one, it has like some green and blue different reflex, but then also gold, like, and you can see it on the eyes. You can tell on the eyes that it has some like green little sparkles in there along with gold sparkles and yellow sparkles, and it just is gorgeous. So I recommend this palette. Like I said, if you like yellows and like this color story, I don't think you'll regret your purchase. I think you'll love it. I also have the Royal one that I'm going to try out tomorrow as long as nothing crazy happens. And I'm real excited about this one. Let me show it to you. It's really, really gorgeous. So So I think it's really pretty. I can't wait to do a look with this. As long as nothing crazy happens, I'll be doing that one tomorrow. But anyways, I hope you like the look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.